Hello!
Hi.
Hello! Anong name mo?
My name po is Yara Isabel S. Ledesma.
Hi, Yara.
Bacolod po.
Bukod sa pagkanta, ano pa yung mga hilig mong gawin?
Journalism po because I want to inform other people what is happening not only in our country but other countries as well.
Pwede siya ring maging isang newscaster. Kasi tuloy-tuloy, yung pagsalita niyo. Klaro.
How about the storm that beginning to approach the Philippines?
And what
Is it
what
a good
is the
sign?
Philippines doing?
The Philippines moving around...
Running away.
Are running away.
Around the
Yes,
globe.
around the globe.
Running away from the storm.
Philippines is so smart, right?
Super smart, especially Bacolod City running away from the storm too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Bacolod is part of the Philippines, no? Of course it is. I'm sorry, I'm not geographically gifted.
Yara,
Okay.
you have fun, okay?
Okay po. At ako pa ba'y iibigin pa ang dinadasal makikiusap na lang aking ka na lang, aking ka na lang ang dinadasal sa araw-araw aking ka na lang, aking ka na lang at maghihintay hanggang akin ka na At ako pa ba'y ibigin pa ang dinadasal makikiusap na lang aking ka na lang giliw aking ka na lang ang dinadasal sa at maghintay hanggang akin ka na
Oh, Yara! Yara, alam mo, yung ganda ng boses mo ay given na. Kaya lang, sa performance mo ngayon, parang hindi ako masyadong kumapit. May mga parte ng pagkanta mo na medyo alanganin talaga. Kapag meron kang kakantahin na isang song, pwede ka naman gumawa ng sarili mong style kung alam mong hindi ka komportable.
Yung boses mo, pag ibang kanta, kinanta mo, kunyari yung kantang easy lang, yung pa-chill lang, palagay ko mas magiging komportable ako. Kaso ito yung kinanta mo, na kahit na sabihin mo, kaya ko naman abutin yan eh. Pero dapat abutin sa tamang paraan. So minsan, natatamaan mo, minsan hindi mo natatamaan. Pero pwede pa natin ayusin yan.
For me, your voice it's so clear. Kaya every little bit of flat or sharp we can hear because your voice is so clear. And that's a good thing. You need to improve on your high notes though. Although I like that you have that whistle. It's good to have it para siyang accent. You don't have to use it all the time.
Yeah.
Enjoy sa performance mo naman. Overall, you have a good vocal quality. And just for that alone, I think you have a lot of improvement that you need to do. And I would love to see your growth dito sa Idol Kids Philippines. So, I will vote yes.
Wow!
Thank you po.
For now, Yara, I will say no.
Gusto ko pang bigyan si Yara ng chance, kaya sa akin, it's a yes.
Thank you po.
Yara, para sa akin, I will say no. Pero, I believe, nahahanapan mo talaga, gagawin mo talaga yung homework mo.
Yes.
At hahanapin mo talaga yung mga kanta na bagay sa'yo. Okay?
Okay po. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Yara.
Thank you din po.
Salamat. Bye, Yara.
Thank you po.
Hi, Yara! Hello! Hello! Nag-enjoy ka ba sa loob?
Yun ang important.
Oh, good. Baunin mo lahat ng mga sinabi natin.
That's okay. That's okay, baby.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Huwag mo din iisipin na hindi meant for you. Baka hindi lang to yung time.
Tamang pala.
Oo, at magkakaroon talaga ng time meant for you. Okay?